Hi dear students, today I am going to start exercise 10b, lesson 1 and number 1 of 1. So integration of, and this is the substitution method. So I want to mention that exercise 10b we do this substitution method, like here integration of dx divided by cube root over 1 minus 4x. 1 minus 4x. So what I do, I just first consider a let z equal to 1 minus 4x. So I have to determine the value of dx because I just substitute 1 minus 4x is equal to z. So all the math will shift from x to z. So what I have to do, I just make it differentiation, like dz by dx equal to ddx of 1 minus 4x. Here ddx of z, the value of z is 1 minus 4x. So what I do, I just ddx of, I put the value of z and ddx of 1 minus 4x. So here I can write down ddx of 1 minus ddx of 4x. Here ddx is the differential operator. So in ddx of 1, if we like again ddx of 1 minus 4 into ddx of x. We cannot make differentiation any constant number. And if we make differentiate any constant number, its value will be 0. And if any constant is multiplied with a variable, in that case, the constant will come out from the differentiation operator. Like here, 4 into ddx of x. So ddx of 1 equal to 0 minus ddx of x, formula is 1. I can show you here the first formula of differentiation, ddx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Here n is the power of x and x is the variable. So for example, ddx of x equal to, here the value of n is 1 because the power of x is 1. So it will be 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. That is 1 into x to the power 0 is equal to 1 into anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So x to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is 1. So I can write like ddx of x. ddx of x is equal to 1. So according to this formula, so ddx of x is equal to 1 and into 4. Okay, it is better. I should write like this way. 4 into ddx of x is equal to 1. So it is minus 4. So here the ddx, dz of x equal to minus 4 or minus 4 dx equal to dz. Therefore dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 of dz. So what I did, I just determine the value of dx because instead of dx I put this value minus 1 by 4 of dz. Here I am going to start the integration. So therefore integration of minus 1 by 4 dz divided by cube root over z equal to minus 1 by 4 will come out from the integration sign. Here 1 by z to the power 1 by 3 dz equal to minus 1 by 4 integration of z to the power minus 1 by 3 to dz equal to minus 1 by 4. Here I use the normal integration formula like z to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 3 plus 1. My integration is complete here, so I have to add integration constant c. Here minus 1 by 4 into z to the power minus 1 plus 3, 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 plus c equal to minus 1 by 4 into c will go up and c will go down, 2 into z to the power 2 by 3 plus c. It is minus 3 by 8. Now I will z to the power 2 by 3 plus c. Now I am going to put the value of z again. So 3 by 8, value of z is 1 minus 4x. So 1 minus 4x whole to the power 2 by 3 plus c, and this is the answer. So the math is start from here. So I can make it numbering like this is 1 and this is the second part, number 2. But our main math is integration. I just use the substitution law. So here I put z instead of 1 minus 4x, and then I make the differentiate with respect to x of z, and here ddx of z, that is ddx of 1 minus 4x and ddx of 1 minus ddx of 4x. So ddx of 1 minus the constant number have no differentiation, so 4 will come outside from the differential operator. The ddx of 4 into ddx of x, ddx of, here I can write another formula, ddx of c is equal to 0. Here c means any constant integer, that is ddx of c, any constant integer number, the value is 0. So here ddx of 1, the value is 0, minus 4 into ddx of x is 1. How can it becomes 1? I show it here. Here the main formula is, differential main formula ddx of x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So according to this rules, ddx of x to the power 1, that is 1 x to the power 1 minus 1, that is 1 into x to the power 0, the 1 into anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So ddx of x is equal to 1. So for this reason, ddx of x is equal to 1. So minus 4, so I can make it cross multiply, minus 4 dx, minus 4 dx is equal to dz. So therefore dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 of dz. So now I put the value of dx here. Instead of dx, I put it here minus 1 by 4 dz, integration of minus 1 by 4 dz cube root over z. That is minus 1 by 4 and 1 by z to the power 1 by 3 dz, minus 1 by 4 z to the power minus 1 by 3 dz, minus 1 by 4 z to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here minus 1 by 4 z to the power 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 plus c. So here minus 1 by 4 into the 3 will go up and 2 will go down. So 3 by 2 into z to the power 2 by 3 plus c. Here minus 3, 4 to the 8, z to the power 2 by 3 plus c, and minus 3 by 8. Again I put the value of z here, 1 minus 4x whole to the power 2 by 3 plus c. Okay. Now going to start number 2. Our next math is 1 of 2. Integration of dx divided by root over x minus root over x minus 1. So for this math, I just multiply both numerator and denominator, the conjugate number of root over x minus root over x minus 1. So here the conjugate of opposite number is root over x plus root over x minus 1 divided by root over x plus root over x minus 1 into root over x minus root over x minus 1. Here I can write both numerator and denominator, both numerator and denominator multiply by root over x plus root over x minus 1. And here bracket is closed. So here root x plus root x minus 1 divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b. So here I forget to write dx. So root x whole square minus root x minus 1 whole square into dx. So here integration of root x plus root over x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx. So here root x plus root over x minus 1 divided by x minus x plus into dx. This x and x is cancelled. So here root over x plus root over x minus 1 divided by 1 into dx. So here root x plus root x minus 1 dx. So I can write root x dx plus integration of root x minus 1 into dx. I'm going to start from where equal to integration of x to the power half dx plus integration of x minus 1 whole to the power half into dx. Here there is no coefficient with x here, so I can use the main formula of integration directly, like here x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus, same thing here, there is no coefficient of x here, that means coefficient of x is 1. So here I can also use the formula directly, like x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. But if any coefficient here, so I cannot directly use the formula. Okay, I'll show you in the next math. Okay, here it is x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus x minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c equal to 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 x minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c, and this is your answer. Okay. And now I'm going to start number 3. 1 of 3. Here integration of e to the power x by 2 plus e to the power minus x by 2 whole dx. Okay, I'll make it separate like e to the power x by 2 dx plus integration of e to the power minus x by 2 dx. Here the formula is integration of e to the power mx dx equal to 1 by m e to the power mx. Here n is any integer like integration of e to the power 5x dx. So answer should be like 1 by 5 e to the power 5x plus c. So here 5 means m. So 1 by m, that is 1 by 5. It is about mx, that means it is about 5x. So here I can write e to the power half x dx plus integration of e to the power minus half x dx. So here e to the power mx, that is 1 by m means half, e to the power mx plus 1 by m e to the power mx plus c. That is I can write 1 into 2 divided by 1 e to the power x by 2 minus plus minus 1 into 2 by 1 e to the power minus x by 2 plus c. That is 2 e to the power x by 2 minus 2 e to the power minus x by 2 plus c. So if I took a common here 2, so it will be e to the power x by 2 minus e to the power minus x by 2 plus c, and this is my answer. Okay, I'm going to start number 1 of 4. Number 1 of 4. Here, integration of 5x plus 3 whole to the power 6 dx. So, I can use the substitution method here. Like, let z equal to 5x plus 3. So, d dx of z equal to d dx of 5x plus 3. So, I can make a differentiation like d dx of 5x plus d dx of 3. Here the formula is d dx of u plus v, that is u is the function and v is another function. So I can write like d dx of u plus d dx of v. So here this is u and this is v. So I can write d dx of u, that is 5x, plus d dx of v, that is 3. So here 5 is a constant number. Constant number have no differentiation. So 5 into d dx of x plus d dx of 3 is a constant number. I mentioned previously d dx of c is equal to 0. That means d dx of any constant number is equal to 0. So here 3 is a constant. So d dx of 3 is equal to 0. Okay. And here 5 into ddx of x equal to 1. I mentioned before ddx of x is equal to 1. So I can write ddx of z is equal to 5 or 5 dx equal to dz. Therefore dx is equal to 1 by 5 of dz. Now I can start the integration part, like integration of 5x plus 3 whole to the power 6 dx. 5x plus 3 I consider z, so I put the value of z power 6 into dx equal to 1 by 5 of dz. So I can write down here 1 by 5 of dz. Yeah, 1 by 5 is a constant. So 1 by 5 will come out from the integration sign, z to the power 6 into dz. So 1 by 5 into z to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. That is 1 by 5 into z to the power 7 divided by 7 plus c is equal to 1 by 35 z to the power 7 plus c. Now I am going to put the value of z. So 1 by 35, it says value of z is 5x plus 3 whole to the power 7 plus c, and this is the answer. Okay. Okay, it's the number 1 of 5. Integration of e to the power 5x plus e to the power 3x. E to the power 3x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into dx. Here I can write e to the power 5x like this. It is what 4x into e to the power x. See, 4x plus x. Here it is what 4x into e to the power x. The formula, exponential formula, if the base is same, the power will be added. So 4x plus x, 5x plus, I can also write down e to the power 4x into e to the power minus x. So here 4x minus x is equal to 3x. E to the power 4x into e to the power minus x, that is e to the power 4x minus x e to the power 5x. Divide by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into dx. So I take a common here, e to the power 4x, here it is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, and the denominator is also e to the power x plus e to the power minus x into dx. So these two are cancelled because these two are same, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, denominator also e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, so these two are cancelled. Here one is left, e to the power 4x dx. I mentioned before, integration of e to the power mx e to the power mx dx equal to 1 by m e to the power mx plus c. So according to this rule, e to the power mx dx, that is 1 by 4 e to the power 4x plus c, and this is answer. Okay, the next one is Next one is 1 of 6. Here integration of x e to the power x square into dx. Here e to the power is x square. So I consider x square as z. Here let z equal to x square. So with respect to x, I can make the differentiation of z. So ddx of z equal to ddx of x square. The formula is ddx of x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So according to this rule, here n is 2, so 2x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2x, or ddx of z is equal to 2x, or 2x dx equal to dz. So therefore, x dx equal to half of dz. Here I can make little bit organized like e to the power x square into this x and dx. I make here x dx. So I just get a value x dx is equal to half of dz. So instead of this x dx, I will put half dz. Here integration of e to the power x square. Here x square means z. So e to the power z into x dx is half of dz. So I can write down here half of dz. So half, it's a constant number. It will come outside the integration sign. So here half e to the power z into dz equal to half e to the power z plus c, because the formula is integration of e to the power mx dx equal to 1 by m e to the power mx. Similarly, e to the power x dx is equal to, here the value of m is 1, so I can write down 1 times 1 into e to the power 1 into x, that is e to the power x. So we can say integration of e to the power x dx equal to e to the power x plus c, here also plus c. So here I am going to put the value of z. The value of z is x square. So half e to the power x square plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, I'm going to start number 1 of 7. Number 1 of 7. 1 of 7. Integration of 2x plus 3 into root over x square plus 3x into dx. So I can consider inside the root part x square plus 3x as z. So let z equal to x square plus 3x. So therefore ddx of z equal to ddx of x square plus 3x, or ddx of z equal to ddx of x square plus ddx of 3x, or ddx of z equal to ddx of x square plus, here 3 is a constant number, so constant number we cannot make differentiation, so 3 will come outside. Here 3 into ddx of x or dz by dx is equal to n x to the power n minus 1 plus 3 into dx of x means 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. I can directly put the value dx of x 1 also. So here ddx of z equal to 2x plus 3 into x to the power 0 or ddx of z is equal to 2x plus 3 into 1 or ddx of z equal to 2x plus 3, therefore 2x plus 3 into dx equal to dz. Here I can make it simplify a little bit like root over x square plus 3x into 2x plus 3 into dx. I made little bit organized like here root over x square plus 3x into this part I put it here 2x plus 3 into dx and the value of 2x plus 3 into dx equal to dz. So now I'm going to start the integration part because this is the substitution method. First I have to consider something and then I try to put the value of dx and the value of dx or 2x plus 3 into dx, I put the value of dz into this part. Here it is root over z into dz. Like integration of z to the power half dz, it should be like z to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c equal to z to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c equal to 2 by 3 z to the power 3 by 2 plus c equal to 2 by 3. I put the value of z, the value of z is x square plus 3x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, I'm going to start number 8. Number 8. Number 8 is integration of x square a to the power x cube dx. So here I consider z equal to x cube. Right? Here let z equal to x cube. So dx of z equal to d dx of x cube or ddx of z is equal to 3x to the power 3 minus 1 or ddx of z equal to 3x square or 3x square dx equal to dz. Therefore x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 of dz. So I can put it here like this. Here a to the power x cube into x square dx. So here integration of a to the power z into x square dx, or 1 by 3 of dz, x square dx, so 1 by 3 of dz, so 1 by 3 constant, it will come outside, integration of a to the power z dz. The formula of integration formula of integration a to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x divided by ln a plus c. A to the power x divided by ln a plus c. So here 1 by 3 a to the power z dz. So it should be a to the power z divided by ln a plus c is equal to 1 by 3 ln a into a to the power z plus c. I am going to put a value of z. So here the value of z is x cube. So it should be a to the power x cube divided by 3 ln a plus c, and this is the answer.